This. Oh, I'm here. Fuck yeah. There. 누스코 이제. Come on. All right, partner. This is time we've been waiting for.
Nightfall.
No, this.
Nightfall.
All right, we ain't gonna go for the kill this time. Let's go tactic. So we're just gonna try and survive and win the game.
Yeah. That works.
Get that car. Okay, the plan is get that car, hit the ground, and buy Lodi.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Let's stay together, bro. Turn off on the buy station. Alright, remember. Oh shit, somebody crept the ground. Mark the ground.
What? For the crown is interesting.
Yeah, somebody take it. Somebody grabbed that. Oh shit. Alright, we're just gonna grab the chopper and go back all the way up there. Turn off your proximity chat, please. Oh, somebody grabbed the chopper too? Bro, our plans is exposed. Alright, wait. We got another one. You voice chat. You go to setting, to audio. Yeah, you go to voice chat and go to proximity chat, turn it off.
Oh.
Alright, let's just stay together. Get out and take some little loot. Just to shoot, you know. There's a box here, bro. Oh, I got UAV. I'll pop the UAV. Right, somebody's here. Oh, the guy with the chopper. Oh, how about this? Let's scrap that. I know there's guns over there. Just stay together so the loadout come to us, the free one. Oh, I think this area too. Wait, let me go check it out. I don't want to jump and die in there. No, yeah, you can jump to the water, look. Okay, come all the way. Come. Come. Yeah. Come, we wait here so the come on, the gas is gonna come and loadout is gonna drop. Ooh, bro, these are old map right here, bro. What the heck? A whole map. Our shit is gonna go.
How you know?
Look at that. Watch. You're gonna watch. It's gonna come to the water. Come all the way to the red line. So you don't die by those motherfuckers trying to cross. Oh, bah, what's up, girl?
Oh,
Oh, you're a mermaid.
I like this map, I like this map. Very much.
Look at the place we cannot go to, bro. Look at that area right there. Oh my goodness. Look, here's our map right here. Watch the red line, bro. What?
We cannot go.
Yeah, correct line on the map. You don't have a map on your screen?
Oh yeah, but I do.
Oh yeah, you see the red line? You cannot cross that red line. Come all the way over there, you see? Let's go to the end, bro. Let's go. The loadout is about to go. Let's make...
fucking fast. Let's go.
Yeah.
Huh?
You gotta use your melee weapon. You see? If you use your gun, you're gonna... No, I swim fast with my guns too. I don't know why. You're shading. I use depth to sprint. Hey, take out. Oh, let me take it out. Yo, what's up, bro? We're live right now, bro. We're swimming. No, we're not swimming, y'all. Nah, proximity chat is off, so we're good. Let me just boot it as party only. Yep. Yo, what's up, bro? We ain't gonna die and still top 10.
What the fuck is the loadout?
It's gonna come. Look at the time. It's on your left screen.
Where is it?
1 minute and 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Yeah.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay. I see.
Don't shoot your weapon, remember. If you shoot it, they're gonna go and fuck us up. Hey, they're gonna mess it up. They can see it on the map.
Hey.
No, don't do that again, bro.
Lucky.
Oh my god, bro. You better not fuck around and we did.
What is snipe fire?
Oh my goodness, bro. The HDR, if they stand over there on the hill and look down, bro, we're dead already. Come on, don't just use your melee weapon and swim.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the rocks on the. That's a fake. That's some fake rock. Look at it. That's what I'm telling you. Don't do that, bro. Look at it. Our loadout is on the water. That's the blend.
Oh wow. In the water.
Yeah. That's the plan, so we don't have to go up there. We wait, and fight. But this time we gotta go because I need ammo and armor. We need those.
Hey, we.
Hey, remember, if there's people on top, use skulls, okay? Let's go buy what we need and come back to the water, bro. We'll be alright at the water, I promise you that. They're fighting up there though. Oh, we just need the ammo box, bro. That's all we need. Give us one, please. You know nothing is gonna be at the beach. Oh, come together, come together. Somebody's here already. Alright, give me your money, bro. You stand here, wait for me. I go buy it. Okay? Oh no, let's go, let's go. I have no money. I need more. Focus, focus, focus. There should be people around here. We just need an armor box, bro. They got loadout. That's crazy. Oh my god, bro. We need more than this. Alright, right here. Let me buy it. Fuck it. Let's buy a plate. Let's go down here. Watch out. Focus, focus. Okay, we just need ammo. That's it. Oh, I got some ammo. Ooh. Oh, somebody just dropped. Alright, come on. How about your ammo, bro? Come, there's ammo here. Come grab it. Alright, let's go down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We just stay there. We're not gonna go through the water, guys. The storm is about to go in the middle now. It's not gonna go through the water no more. Let's switch. Okay, up there. You see the loadout on the buy station up there?
Yeah.
There is. One just landed on it. We're good, bro. Come, let them fight. There's like 33 teams left. There's like 66 people. You know what I mean? That's some real shit. Watch out! Hey, come, Yumina. Oh, okay, sorry. I'm so sorry. Come down here. You don't wanna be thinking too much now. Ooh, ooh. Hey, stop! Alright, you know what? We gotta move here. Let's go. The storm is moving in. Oh wait, let me see if it's safe. Of course it's safe. The plan has been changed, sir. We're moving on the side, be invincible. Hey, come down a little bit, please. Oh, wait. Come on now. We're invincible. You're close, right?
No.
Yo, what? You're not coasted? Alright.
Oh, yeah.
To know.
Yeah. Yeah,
what?
I am.
No, what is coasted then?
I am, bro.
No, come on, bro. Shit. Tripping.
I got that on my stuff.
Alright, when we run, you make sure you look in front and see if somebody's, you know, hiding up there, cause there's a car. Oh. Get down.
It's a bike.
It's right there. Get ready to kill him, bro. Kill him. Engage. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Don't shoot. Let him go. Hey. We're late already. If we have time, we just kill them, but we ain't got no time on that. So let him go, you know. Let's go up. Let's stand on the mission. Stay on the mission. We're top 20s. Top 30 right now. HIJKLMNOP QRSESTUV UXINC. Alright, let's stay here for a moment and wait for the gas. This is the safest option we're ever gonna make. You know what I'm saying? Wait. We wait for the storm to move and then we move. We don't make no move until the storm eat us. And then try to move. And the next move gonna be the next move. The middle storm is gonna be at Ponyard. That's what happened. This guy. Yeah, crawl. People shooting on the right side. Wait. Remember, lay down. Don't scope yet. Use your AR. Don't use that shiny ass spotlight, okay?
Flashlight.
Alright, the next move is right here. Right on the bike. No, we got half coffer, so we're going straight to the building. We got half coffer, because... Wait, what I'm thinking is, if we move over there, what is the next move? We're gonna cross that area? No, we have to come here. Yeah, we have to go, bro. We wait, though. We wait for the storm. We go with it.
Hey,
oh, people.
Come
on.
Also, door. Watch out. Door.
Where are they? They on me? Oh shit. Oh, you motherfucker almost killed me.
Oh, how the fuck is that me?
Oh, the guy's right there, bro. I don't know how to fight that. Hey, go up. Only one left.
Hey, right?
Where?
In the house.
Is that the same one? Oh yeah.
Okay.
You're running.
Hey, another smoke.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, we're going, bro. We take that fucker. We cannot catch it. He moving. Yeah, he fucking bullshit.
Okay, stay on the blind, fuck it. Come, 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 come. Remember, we need copper. Oh shit, somebody saw me.
Hey, he's right here. He's up top. And last sniper at the window.
Yeah, watch out, watch out. Yeah.
Hey, still up top.
Hey, we gotta push. You gotta go, fuck it. You snipe him, push. Use your melee weapon. Oh shit, another one. Oh, another one over here. Only one. He's all over there. Oh, there's people doing the same shit we're doing, bro.
What the guy on top?
Yeah. No, I killed the guy on top. There's another guy I didn't even know. Tricky, almost. Who joined earlier?
I don't know, bro.
I think it's your friend, guys. I don't know if that friend. Bully shit. I'm fighting somebody. Gay fox. I'm fighting gay fox. Okay. You don't know you ain't joining that, man. Alright, game. Let's just go and find another good partners to stay with us.
Only one teammate. Good player.
You're headed to the war zone.
Alright, Cam.
Our
I don't know why I like this area.
Nah.
My bad. Damn. Yes, listen, Kiento party.
Hey boys, enemy over here on top, on the roof. They're on top.
Nice, nice. Hey, break, fuck! Why the fuck I lag, bro? What the fuck is that? Like... You gotta buy us all, bro. That's your chance of saving your team. Yeah, yeah. That's a nice sacrifice. People on top, watch out. Oh, let's go on top, man. He's safe. Save on top. Yes, the fuck, I'm stupid. Alright. Yo, game, how's that 12 kills? You like that? Alright, Rebel, yes. Cam, you like that 12 kill? It ain't nothing, but it's alright. I don't know, you know, the last time I died, when I break that motherfucker about to down him, like, I froze for like half a second and then slide. Like, what the fuck? Come on now, Call of Duty. Even the streamer complain about this bullshit, man. Man, I ain't gonna talk shit. I'm about to get banned again. Call of Duty, please help us. We buy this shit, man. These ain't no hay bags. Yeah.
Check weapons and gear. We're holding for deployment.
Yo. Alright. Listen here. Hop on a basic cow, man. Hey, how's the day you said cow? Yeah, remember that day? Yeah, you were like messed up. You were like too high. Or drunk, I guess. Cause I talked to you and you never even talk. I was like, yo, Bonadé. You're murmuring.
I was so drunk, man.
Alright, guys. Get some money.
Man, I'm in there. Where? I'm in there somewhere.
What? What are you guys talking about, guys?
I mean, you said tunnel under the water?
Oh, you talking about the bunker?
The bunker, yeah. I'm gonna get some kind inside and come back. Oh,
I need to eat 20 kills, man. I really need to eat that. But it's not good when I chase for the kills. I'm gonna leave you guys. That's not really good. Alright, guys. We hit the jackpot. Let me send that bitch to the water, bro.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'll be out of here. I got the money right here.
Yellow.
Money right here.
Bro, we need yellow money.
Yeah, I got some money.
Yeah, we got the money already, bro. You tripping.
Now we got the loadout, right?
Ready.
Mary. He's down, he's dead. He's dead. Already dead. Somebody coming down.
Alright,
Yes.
he's down. Oh
shit! You're a pussy, you fucker. That motherfucker on top.
I killed that dude, man. You guys are gonna kill him, man. Shit.
How the fuck is...
Friendly loadout drops on the way. You're getting another charge. Weapons free.
They're coming back.
They're on the Lodi. Grabbing their guns.
Oh! Cheers.
Yes, you motherfucker, dude. There's somebody over there. Yo, bro. Fire your weapon.
Somebody.
Fire your weapon.
Somebody's right there.
Yo, bro. How the hell?
Hey.
What did I do, man? What did I change? I ain't changed nothing, man. I ain't changed nothing. That's the same setting, bro.
I got one of these things.
Dang. You say there's a squad over there? Okay, don't go over there then. I gotta load out again. What the hell? I shoot! Yo, bro, this crazy. Huh? Hey, what you say, bro?
Where's he at, man?
I have no idea. Yes, what the? Woo! Oh, I know what I do. Oh no, I didn't do nothing, bro.
Nah, I'm just shooting around.
Dang. Come, Yumina, what are you doing? Alright, I thought I'd do much.
Crap, man.
Okay, not on.
Oh my god! Frick, frick! It's revive, revive, you revive!
Yeah, buddy. You're driving me no way.
Oh shit.
Oh, I didn't snipe. Oh, fuck the phone. Hey, good shit, man. You got us back.
Man. Bro, I'm gonna get 0. Damn. Oh. Can't handle that now. Oh no. How you push? Oh, now we got 4. Choose. Oh, Use. Yeah, choose.
Nice, juice.
Oh shit. Now, you know, choose is kind of high, so I thought it's choose. What? What? Ngay din. Ngay lang. Alas dilas. Damn. I'm about to turn into Turd Okaki. Yo, Chad, I'm about to turn into Turd Okaki in this shit. Geliyor. Here, swimmer. Oh shit, that's an enemy. Oh, bro, you scared the shit out of me. Oh, we got the voice. Oh, that's far away. We got 2,000, which is not even close.
Load up, boy. Got 3,000.
Oh, we're good.
No.
To the rescue of love, Somebody! Oh shit, that's a teammate, bro. I make fun of it, freaked out. He thought. What of it? Let's go, Preston. Control.
Over. There we go. Communicate. Before you go by yourself and die.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit.
Oh, he's down.
Crack.
Whoa, you revive. Oh, he's on the bottom.
Oh, what's up? Fuck.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Hey, kill that fucker, bro. I'm coming.
Right.
There's two.
Oh, it's from the tunnel, boy. Watch out, the tunnel.
Come. Later. Come. Later.
Hey, they go back to where we take our loadout. They're over there. They're over there where we came.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see that. Alright, watch out.
Get you down. Get down. Get down. Another get down. Another get down. Oh, when I'm on fire, bro.
Yeah.
Yes! Bro, one shot.
Oh, man.
Good job, guys. Good job. Come on, get in. They don't know what they're doing, bro. Don't run. Stop shooting at my friend, you fuck. That's what I do. I help you guys when you help me. He's on top. Top, stairs, blue, on the steps.
Got a monster.
Oh shit, so if I say I'm attack and you see me, yeah, right there, you see that?
Coming back. Hey, you got caught. Hey, take my gun, bro.
Yes, you feel me? Yeah. Oh, I gotta start practicing the crown. Go down, bro. Like. Nice, nice, nice. Woo! With the slappy baddie. Woo! With the slappy baddie.
Hey, boys, let's take this dog.
Yeah, man. Oh shit, sorry guys.
Fuck you, bitch.
Wait! Fuck that, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? How the fuck you do that? The fuck? Hey boys, I need money. Go on, load out.
Drop your money, nigga.
Loro, you know? I'm forgetting.
I only have this $10. What can that get me? Hey, I've got $10.
One down, two down, bro. Two fucking down.
Like that? Like that? Stupid. Oh, almost got you.
Ah! Yes. What a bitch.
Alright, not on. Watch out.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound.
Money drop, money drop, money drop.
Hold on.
Money dropsy, money dropsy.
Load up, bro.
Oh, we going crazy right now, y'all. Like, we do this shit. Oh, there's a... Oh, they're here, they're here. They're here with us, they're here with us.
On the roof.
Yeah.
Stick together. Hurry up. Keep going up. You let us know.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Yeah, no. You're not throwing them.
Yes! Yo, what is that lag is about, bro? Like, come on! Sir Matar!
Alright, it's okay.
Ah, damn. Let's send these guys to loud.
Back to reality, smoke reality. You're getting quiet. It's alright. That's what the coffee in the morning for. That's why you drink coffee early in the morning, bro. You want yang? Go bring bumper. Oh yeah. Yeah. We are out. Okay. Nhắm ba rồi. Số tí. Nè. Nhắm ba rồi. What do you say? You say what? Ass sloppy?
Try.
Try hard. Try hard. It is called try hard, sir.
Let's go.
Oh, one of us left. Damn. Hey, the Supreme is strong, right? Yeah, I heard it is strong right now. Supreme, not Supreme, what the fuck?
Deal for your farm.
Amy's not at work. She's on Get Your Guide, planning experiences for the Mexico trip.
The purple spots aren't disappearing!
No, these antidotes can't cure the witch's poison.
JJ, I'm starting to feel weak.
Outnumbered, so
I think I need to lay down.
be aware, searching.
Mikey,
Oh, bro, they're gonna come and kill me.
oh no.
Yeah,
That's it. JJ,
hey, put it down.
I want you
You're gonna broke the charger.
to have all my diamonds.
Excuse the Miri.
I'm going to research this.
Dance squad. The hell's going on?
This is it. If anything can save
That's good to be true.
Available, come on. I got 5 kills. Come on.
What do you mean, come on? There's no money, bro.
I said Mark.
Oh, he's on control. He's on control. Look, I downed one.
Hey, right there, he landed.
I don't know what the fuck you think. What are you doing, though?
Loading.
Somebody's here.
Wait, not on. Oh my god. Coming to the load off.
Oh, bro, you thought you gonna kill me, don't you?
Get the load off. Right on time, baby. Here's the stage.
I defend this area and wait for you guys. No! I won't go.
We're here.
Oh no.
Control.
Yeah, bro, I gotta get some kills, bro.
So you got under that smoke. So fun too. In the water.
Baby is in the water.
Fuck that. Come on, the water. Fuck that. Come on.
Yeah, just look down.
Yeah, you say fuck that.
He's scared.
Come on.
He's running up the stairs. Yeah. You
Look
died,
at
man.
that, no.
I
Now
died.
you died.
So what?
Damn. Come on now. Stay positive, Ken.
Hey, he's positive over there.
Yeah, bro, he ain't see you, bitch.
Let me make you come back really fast, okay? Let's go left. Yeah, go on the steps up there. I'm telling you, because we are late.
Got the stairs. Probably that.
Who the fuck you think you are? Where are they? They're coming up. Where are they? They're up there. Come on, guys. Why you let him come up here, bro? Do not let him come up, bro. Come on, it's Brick. He's reviving right now. Another one coming in. Oh, you fucked up. Another one, another one. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. One left. One left. He's all the way down there. Let's go push his ass. Go, 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 go. Let's see how hungry they are.
Nothing though.
He's playing the little house.
What? Two shot not go down is crazy, bro. Like, come on now. Like, I worked so hard for that Call of Duty and you never even give it to me. This thing's funny.
Some behind too.
Hey, let's go on top. Let's go on top, yo. Yeah, let's stay up. Fuck! Yo, I got ammo box right here.
Hey boy, come up, come up. We on top, we on top. Come on up.
Man, stay down.
Whatever you say, boss. I'm ready to kill your ass. Come on. That went down. Boy, you could die. I don't know. You went down. Come back up.
Shut the fuck up. You never even helped me, bro. You just laughing at me, bro. Fuck. Oh my god, he laughing at me,
you was
bro.
going down, bro. That's why you was going down. You just went, bro.
Alright, that's cool. I'm going down.
You. Let us know. Bring me the kitchen. We want some kills too.
I mean, shit. Oh, what you ready for, bro? Bro, I put something on his ass.
Hey, boy, get ready. Just put on. So cool.
You break.
I will. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Did I kill all of them? No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. I didn't mean that.
Get out of here.
Oh!
Ooh. No. Where you get that? That was close.
Fucking shit. Oh! I'm going crazy now, man. 10 kills average, bro. Come on, bro. What about next year? It's gonna be 30 kills average? No, I can't wait to play GTA 6. I'll be on COD mode on GTA 6, bro. Hey, no, we ain't gonna go out there. Oh, fucked up. Yo, I'm using 2.65 right now. It's pretty nice. I used to use 1.65 cam. And now I'm using 2.65. I'm playing PS4, so every day I'm changing my setting. Because PS4 depends on the need of the day. Man. Wait. Yo, I want to give you a kilo build, Cam.
We're holding for deployment.
You hear me? Yo, Gamski. Gamski, bro.
Enemy soldier incoming. Green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
Yo, Gamski.
Yo,
I wanna give you a build after this match on Kilo. So you can try a build on Kilo. I wanna give you after this. Alright, let's go stronghold, fuck.
just go. One down.
Copy, I'm coming over there right now. One just landed, Green.
Load out.
Alright, let's go. No, I did my old stock. What? That's some weird ass shit. Oh, this gun sucks.
What the fuck is that ammo?
Catch this guy and throw him away.
Who you trying to fake, huh? Sorry, bro. You gotta go. It's on control.
Full control. Standing on the roof.
They're on the bottom. They're fighting. Go down. Oh shit! You're running, you're running, you're running, outside! Nice, nice, stay on the bottom, I'm going. They're on the boat, they're on the boat. Yeah, look at them. They're back there. Stronghold coming in. Stronghold coming up. Why not go up, bro? There's people here. Oh, right there, right there. One shot, one shot. There you go. There you go, there you go. Another one here. On the same place, same place.
Yeah.
Still on top. Oh my god! The fuck? Stay alive, stay alive. Oh no. Oh, everybody got 3, that's all. It's nice. Everybody got 3. There's no negative, okay?
Yeah, I got both of them. Come on. Fireplace. You want to heal them up? God damn. No, that's going on? Get off. You go, bicycle. Go with mommy, bicycle. Oh, never mind, it's hot.
It's hot. Mommy say it's hot.
How do you know?